Hello student, I am Assistant Professor Pranita Poor from Shri Mudayi Devi Shikshan Sanstha Devur, Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College Devur. Today we are discuss about our new syllabus NEP 2.0 of Shivaji University Kolhapur, BSc first semester first paper number second organic chemistry. Second unit is heterocyclic compound. Okay student, now we are start heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compounds are organic compounds containing a ring structure with at least one atom other than carbon, such as nitrogen, oxygen, or sulfur within the ring. These compounds are of great importance in biochemistry, pharmaceutical, and material science. हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड म्हणजेच ज्या कंपाऊंडला किंवा रिंगला एक सल्फर ॲटम, एक ऑक्सिजन ॲटम और एक नायट्रोजन ॲटम कार्बनला अटॅच झालेला असेल यालाच हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड असे म्हणतात. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड. फर्स्ट, बेस्ड ऑन रिंग साइज. Based on ring or size, 3-membered ring aziridine, 5-membered ring pyrrole, 6-membered rings pyridine, and 7 or more membered rings, for example azapipe. Based on aromaticity, aromatic heterocycles, for example of pyrrole. Based on number of heteroatoms, monocyclics means one heteroatom, pyridine, furan. Polycyclic means multiple heteroatom, imidazole. Two nitrogens means two nitrogen, for example thiazole. One sulfur and one nitrogen, for example of thiazole. One sulfur and one nitrogen, for example of common heterocyclic compound. Nitrogen containing heterocycles pyridine pyrrole, heterocycles thiophene thiazole. Importance of heterocyclic compound. Pharmaceuticals. Many drugs like antibiotic, anti-cancer agent, and anti-inflammatory drugs are heterocyclic. For example of penicillin. Applications of heterocyclic compound. Dyes, for example of indigo. Agrochemicals, for example of fungicides and herbicides. Preparation of heterocyclic compound from acetylene and ammonia. Pyrrole can be synthesized by heating acetylene with ammonia. From ketones and ammonia, pyridine derivatives can be prepared by using a combination of ketones and ammonia. From furan is synthesized the decarboxylation of pyrrole is 5-membered heterocyclic compound with the molecular formula is C4H5N. It can be synthesized by several methods including chemical and catalytic approaches. Pyrrole synthesis. First, norpyrrole synthesis. This method involves the condensation of beta ketoester with an alpha amino ketone in the presence of acid or base reaction. For example of ethyl acetoacetate reacts with ammonia acetate to yields 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole जर आपल्याला सिंथेसिस करायचं असेल तर पालनॉर सिंथेसिसने आपण ते करू शकतो. त्यासाठी आपण अल्फा केटो इस्टर आणि बीटा केटो इस्टर अल्फा अमिनो ॲसिटोन हे ॲसिड ऑर बेस कंपाऊंड वापरून त्याच्यावर आपण इथिल ॲसिटेटची रिॲक्शन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला अमिनो ॲसिड 2,5-डायमिथिल पायरॉल हा प्रॉडक्ट मिळू शकतो. Next, Palnar synthesis. This is one of the simple method to synthesize pyrols. 1,4-dicarbonyl compound react with ammonia. पायरॉल जर सिंथेसिस करायचं असेल तर डायकार्बोनिल कंपाऊंड वर अमोनियाची रिॲक्शन आपल्याला करावी लागेल. त्याचबरोबर अमोनियाची रिॲक्शन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला 1,4-डायकार्बोनिल कंपाऊंड हा प्रोडक्ट मिळू शकेल. From acetylene and ammonia, pyrrole can be obtained by passing a mixture of acetylene and ammonia over a red-hot tube where they react with from the pyrrole ring. Catalytic synthesis. Pyrrole can be synthesized by catalytic dehydrogenation of pyrrolidine, a saturated along of pyrrole. पायरॉलवर जर आपण ॲसिटिलिनची जर ॲसिटिलिन ॲसिटिल किंवा अमोनिया हा प्रोडक्ट वापरून आपल्याला पायरॉलमध्ये रेड हॉट ट्यूब मिक्सचर केल्यानंतर त्याच्यावर कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला पायरॉल सिंथेसाइज करता येऊ शकते. Chemical properties of pyrrole. Pyrrole is a heterocyclic aromatic compound and its properties arises from aromaticity and lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen. Below are the key chemical properties of pyrrole. First, aromaticity. Pyrrole is aromatic due to the delocalization of the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom, which contribute to a 6 pi electron system. This aromaticity makes pyrrole relatively stable, though it is less stable than benzene. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Deposit nitrogen being electronegative, the lone pair of nitrogen is delocalized, the ring making pyrrole. Bromination. Pyrrole undergoes bromination at the second position or alpha position under the mild condition. Nitration. Pyrrole does not undergo nitration within nitric acid directly as it leads to the ring decomposition. Instead, nitrogen can be achieved using mild reagent likely acetyl nitrate, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and alkylation. Pyrrole reacts with acyl chloride or alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst to yield two substituted products. Oxidation and reduction. Pyrrole is oxidation in the presence of air or oxidizing agent. Reduction. Pyrrole can be reduced by to pyrrolidine by catalytic hydrogenation using hydrogen gas and metal catalyst, for example of platinum or nickel. Structure of pyridine. Pyridine is a six-membered heterocyclic compound with the molecular formula is C5H5N. Ring system, a benzene-like structure replacing CH group. Bond angles. The bond angles in the ring approximately 120 degree, making the planar. Chemical properties of pyridine. Pyridine exhibits distinct chemical properties due to nitrogen atom. Chemical properties. Electrophilic substitution reacting. Pyridine is less reactive towards the electrophilic substitution than benzene. Pyridine can be nitrated using acetyl nitrate under mild condition. Sulfonification. Sulfonation with fuming sulfuric acid. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Pyridine is highly reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution at the 2 and 2nd positions. Due to the electron withdrawing effect of the nitrogen atom. Thank you.